we've had a minimal approach to design since the day we started. You know, how can we do more with less? That's where Wave came from. But specifically, we're looking at this trend and people trying to change their form and do different things with their running. You know, we really focused on, okay, what's the essence of it and what are they really trying to do? And think about people trying to run on their midfoot, right? So how can we build a shoe, a running experience, if you will, that's optimized for midfoot running?
Obviously, Wave technology is our primary device of cushioning. It's been very successful for us, so why should we abandon it? Let's utilize this technology. We can make the waveform in many different varieties of shapes and sizes and weights and materials. So let's utilize the best possible configuration of the Wave technology to be represented in this new midfoot, forefoot striking product. So as you can see, we've got this new configuration of the Wave placed directly in the impact area of the shoe. So there's a zero drop across the platform, so it's a flat platform.
So unlike most shoes which have a roundedness from lateral to medial, this shoe is completely flat. So when you're inside the shoe, your toes are engaging the ground and engaging the bottom of the shoe equally at the same time, so you can really stabilize and push off in the most optimal way in a shoe like this. Another thing you'll notice too about the shoe is the shape of it. So again, much more of an oblique shape than you typically find in our running shoes or other people's running shoes. And again, that's going to allow the toes to splay. It's going to allow the toes to really be engaged in the process as you're landing midfoot, forefoot. So very, very unique and an important part of the development of this shoe. Last thing to kind of point out is the outsole. So there's an awful lot of flexibility here. Again, if you're landing midfoot, you want to be able to have that shoe to be flexible both from heel to toe, but also from, again, lateral to medial. So you're going to see flex screws not only here, but across the shoe as well, really adding to that experience and that optimal running experience for midfoot running.
So one of the things we looked at was items and things that are in nature that are low and very stable. So one of the things that we looked at was geckos, lizards, things that are, you know, amazingly stable. And you can see we brought in some of those lizard-like elements in the graphical elements on the shoe itself.